Good morning, students. I'm Amitabh Ghosh from Great Mission Public School, Himmatpur Block, and as you know, I'm teaching you Information Technology course code 402. So, in today's session, I would be dealing with a new chapter, formatting a document. So, as you know, we are already carrying this session using LibreOffice. So, this particular chapter is divided into two lecture video. Please stay focused on the lecture that I'm teaching you through online classes. If you have any difficulty, do contact me. Okay, thank you.
Tomorrow's video I would discuss rest of the two topics. One is page formatting and the last one is inserting images, shapes and special characters. So before going through my online videos, I would suggest you to please keep a book in front of you and go through the topic and see the practicality of the topic that I'm discussing over here. Now, before understanding page style, I want to give you few brief idea about a document. Now, when you open LibreOffice Writer, you see a blank document whose file name is Untitled1. Now, before you write something, you have noticed that your cursor is blinking at the top left corner of the page document. Now, if you click over here, your mouse still blinks from here itself, on here itself. It means first letter that you are going to type, this is the initial point where your character starts. Just above it, above this particular cursor, you have noticed two line which is also called margin line, and once your line ends you will also find a margin line over. In a similar manner, at the bottom side you will also find two marginal line. It means that your character starts from here and it ends up to here in a single line, and the last character that you type will type over here, then it will go to the next document. Now above this marginal points, still you have space at the top, at the bottom, on left hand side and right hand side. Now these are the marginal area which give proper or which maintains the proper order of the documents. These are the reserved spaces which is used for special cases in a document. Like if you click on here, it shows this is the header part. Normally header is used to type title of the chapter. Your footer is used to write page number or the name of the author who has created this document. On left hand side, it is used to write some points like using bullets or some other special characters, and right hand side is normally left for a blank space. Or you might have noticed that at the bottom part you might have written PTO, please turn over. Means if you want to if somebody want to read your next page, you mention by an instruction PTO over here. So these are the reserve area used for other purpose other than normal documentation. Now, what is text format? Okay, I left one thing. I want to show you page style. So in order to go to page style, click on format then click on page style, and page style dialog box will appear. Now if you noticed that format of this document is A4 sheet page, whose margin, width and height is mentioned over here, and the orientation of the document looks like this, means vertical length of the document is greater than your horizontal length, so width is smaller than height. If you change portrait view to landscape view, it just swap, and also your width changes to height and height changes to width. It's just a swapping. So width is greater than height. And as said before, there are 4 corner margin: left, right, top and bottom. So these are the marginal area, and the spacing between this area from here to here, here to here, here to here and here to here is 2 centimeter. But if you want to change page style measurement, you can adjust it from here itself. Okay. Now text formatting can be done in several ways. Few of the ways are discussed in your book, that is using the format menu that I showed you. Go to format menu and you can do a text formatting, like if you want to make the character bold, italics, all these things, you can do it from format menu. Others are using formatting toolbar. These are the formatting toolbars over here. Then using context menu, when you type something, you select the text and right click on it and use a context menu. Using the character dialog box, whenever you click on any of the menu, it opens, normally a dialog box of that particular menu opens, and you can also do formatting. Using the property pane, this is the status bar or the property of the document. Whatever you are typing, accordingly in the status bar you will find the details of the document. And using keyboard shortcut like Control B, Control C, all these shortcut keys can be used for text formatting. So basically 6 type of formatting is there. But in some cases, if you think that whatever formatting you did for a document is not correct, you can immediately revert it back by using clear direct formatting or pressing Ctrl M. So this is the icon of clear direct formatting, or you can press Ctrl M button to go to the 0 or no level of formatting. Now let me insert some text in this document. I already have the text over here in a Notepad++. So let me copy and paste it over here using shortcut key Control V. So here is a document. Now what are the common type of text formatting? So I can change font style, I can increase the size of the font, I can change the color of the font, I can use these 3 special properties like making the text bold, italics or underline. Then I can use different type of cases as given in page number 192, changing text case. Now one by one I can show you this. Now let's say I want to use a font style on the head of the title. So what I will do, first I will select the text and first I will change the alignment, because as you can see every text starts from left corner or the left alignment. So I want title of the topic needs to be highlighted, as well as it should look different compared to the main topic. So I select the text, I first change alignment from left alignment to center alignment. Then I want to make font size from 12 points to 20 points to make it bigger. If I want to change font family from Liberation Serif, which is a default font for writer, I can click on drop down list, and according to my choice, whichever font or calligraphy I see is better for the document, I select that. So I like this one, so I change to Lucida Calligraphy. And if I want to make this particular font bold, I can click on bold icon and I can make it underline. And if I want to change title of the text to different color, I click on A icon arrow, and according to my choice, whichever color I feel like is better, I can select that one. Do you see that? Okay. Now in some cases, let me take this document to the next line. Now in a sentence, if I found that I want to make the text highlighted so that whenever I go through a reading next time for that particular document, that document main point is to be highlighted. So in order to highlight a particular content, select the content at first, then use this icon highlight color, and I will select default color pattern as yellow, because on black font, background font should always be brighter, or else both the font color and the background color overlaps. So I chose yellow color as a text highlighter color. Now there are changing cases. If you come to the next topic on page number 192, it shows changing text cases. Now how many types of text cases are there? In your book it is showing 7 type of changing text. So to go through it, click on format menu and then click on text. In this drop down list you will find changing case, upper, lower, cycle case, sentence case, capitalize each word, and toggle case. I will show you 2 of the cases so that you can understand in a better manner. Now before make a changing in the changing case, I would like to say you that the default case that we are writing in a text document is a sentence case, which is showing over here, this one. Now if you notice this particular paragraph, small paragraph, how many sentences are there? This is one sentence, this one is second sentence, so there are 2 sentences. So whenever you start writing a sentence, the first letter of the word will always be capital. Once sentence ends, the next sentence starts with a capital letter. So here the first word is an, and its first character or first letter is in capital letter. If you check the other one, same, it is done over here. So every sentence first letter will always start with a capital letter. So although the typing that we are doing in writing text in a textbook, we follow sentence case. See this? Yes. So let's say I want this content to be written in uppercase. Now there are 2 methods. One is delete every word by word and then tap use caps lock button and type in uppercase. And the second method is select the text that you want to make changes for uppercase, go to Format, then click on Text and select uppercase. So it will make changes of that particular selected text to uppercase. Now if you want the same text to be changed to lowercase, again go to Format, then click on Text and then finally click on lowercase. So this is how you can use different type of changing cases in a text document. Now what is paragraph formatting? Now paragraph formatting is required whenever you want your paragraph to have proper spacing between the two or more. In that particular area, line spacing are also required. So in order to do that, let me show you how to go to paragraph formatting. First, in order to make changes, hold on a minute. Okay, so in order to apply paragraph formatting, select the paragraph for which you want to make changes. Let's say I want these content to have proper paragraph spacing and line spacing. So go to Format, then click on paragraph. Now when you click on paragraph, you will notice paragraph dialog box will appear where you have different type of measurements where you want to make changes. Indent is from your document where your text will start. So as of now, as I said that this particular document starts from here. If you want to make any changes, you can make changes of the paragraph accordingly, and you will notice that paragraph spacing between the first paragraph and the second paragraph will reflect in the preview. So let me take it to the 0 level because I do not want to make any changes in the paragraph. Then alignment, you want your document to be left aligned, right aligned, center aligned, or justified. According to your choice, you can make the proper alignment. Then all these are for advanced level of formatting. So basically we take care of indentation and line spacing, means spacing between the two lines is called line spacing. If you want to make a little more space between two lines, you can select line spacing over here and click OK. Once you do that, you will find the spacing between the line. So that is it for today. Hope I make you understand about the topic that is discussed in your book. Please go through it, my video once again. Please read the document part from the book, and if you still have any difficulty, please revert back to me. So tomorrow we would be continuing on page formatting, and then finally, as I said, how to add or insert images, shapes and special characters. See you tomorrow. Goodbye.